Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Tricky Notes. Friends, today we'll find out squares of numbers nearer to 100. So we'll find out numbers which are below 100 and also which are above 100. So let's try one example. So first example is 98. So we'll find out the square of 98. So 98 square will have 4 digits 1, 2, 3 and 4. So to find out the first 2 digits, what we have to do is, friends, 98 is 2 less than 100. It is 2 less than 100. So we'll subtract another 2 from 98. So the answer is 96. Let's see the trick. So we'll put it in the first place, 96. We got the first 2 places. To find out the second 2 places, what we will do? We'll do the square of the difference. So the difference is minus 2. So the square is minus 2 square is 4. So we'll put 0, 4. We have 2 places. So we'll put 0, 4. So the answer is 9604. Let's take one more example. 94. So we'll find out the square of 94. So friends, the square will have again 4 digits. So 94 is 6 less than 100. So what we will do to find out the first 2 digits, we will subtract 6 from 94. So we are getting 88. So we got the first 2 places, that is 88. Okay, and to find out the second 2 places, what we will do? We will do the square of 6 to find out the second 2 places. Square of 6 is 36. So we will put 36 in the second 2 places. So you got the answer is 8836. So the answer is 8836. Friends, this is below 100. We can have it for more than 100 also. Let's try one example more than 100. So 104. So the square of 104 we'll find out. 104 is 4 more than 100. So we'll add another 4. There it was less, so we were subtracting. Here it is more, so we will add. So we are adding 4. So we got the answer is 108. So 108. And the square of 4 is 16. So the next 2 digits will be 16. As usual, it is 16. So the answer is 10816. Let's take one more example to clarify. Okay, so it is 112. Here we will have carry. It will be a bit different. See, we will have 5 digits. Okay, so 112. First 3 digits will be, it is 12 more than 100. So we will add another 12. So this is 124. 112 plus 12 is 124. And the square of 12 is 144. 144. But we have 2 digits. So we will bring this 1 to the carry. So this is 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 4, 4. Let's put it clear. Okay, above. This is 1, 2, 5, 4 and 4. So this is the answer for 112 square. Friends, you can try for more numbers. If you have any doubts, you can contact us this number. Okay, or log on to our site trickynotes.com. For more videos and everything, you can come to our channel, that is subscribe our channel, like our videos and comment us. Thank you.